How to make money online for beginners. The first time I realized that you could make money online was my senior year of the college. I was scrolling through Pinterest when I came across an article on how some women had made a full-time income working online while traveling the world, like any free spirit. Early 20 something, that was my dream. So of course I thought, how can I make money online so I can travel whenever and whenever I want. I decided to do a little to see if there were any others out there living the laptop lifestyle, working from anywhere with an internet connections and cell receptions. As it turns out, thousands, if not millions, of people make money online every day. Once I realized there are many legit ways to make money online, I decided to give it a try for myself. Since then, I have learned thousands per year, all while working from my laptop, and it's not difficult to get started. First way, participate in market research. Online surveys won't net you a hefty income, but you can earn a few dollars here and there. Many survey sites pay in gift cards, but some, like branded surveys, allow you to cash out your earnings via PayPal and direct deposit. By consistently taking surveys and earning points, you will become a branded elite member and qualify for additional bonus points and rewards. Second, get cashback and rewards when you shop. Cashback apps and browser extensions help you save money on everything from groceries to books. Again, you won't earn a fortune, but you will save money on things you already buy. My personal favorite thing is Capital One shopping because it works with my favorite stores like Overstock and eBay. If you already use Capital One, you can create a Capital One shopping account using your regular banking login. If you don't use Capital One, signing up is still a quick process. Once you create an account and get the browser extension, Capital One will let you know while you are shopping if there's a deal available for that retailer. You can cash in your rewards for gift cards to Walmart's, Redbox, and other retailers. The third option, start a blog of your own. Making money by starting a blog is more realistic than you may think. Bloggers make money by advertising for companies they are affiliated with. When users click on affiliated link and make a purchase, the website owner earns a commission. There are other ways to make money blogging, such as by displaying advertising, selling your own products, or writing sponsored contacts. Number 4, complete micro tasks. Micro tasks are one of the easiest way to make money online, but micro jobs come with micro pay. You can earn a few dollars a month with Swagbucks by watching videos, playing games, and using Swagbucks search engine. Other micro job sites pay users for reviewing content, verifying data, or testing apps and websites. Fifth option is become a proofreader. Proofreader help authors, bloggers, and even code reporters ensure that their content is grammatically correct and error free. A proofreader role is to be an extra set of eyes after the author and editor have finished their jobs. They score content for any errors that may have previously been missed. Number 6, work as virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is an all-encompassing title of someone who offers online service for companies and small businesses. Services can range from graphic design to blog management to email marketing. A good friend of mine started working as a virtual assistant once he had first child. He makes 35 and all, offering company writing and email management to local companies. Working as a freelancer will increase your hourly rate but came with the downside of having to find your own work. Number 7, manage Facebook ads for businesses. One of the way Facebook make money is allowing companies to advertising its products and services in users' new feeds. Most small business owners don't realize the value of running Facebook ads for their business. By learning to communicate the value of ads in the reaching new client and building brand awareness, you can earn $1,000 to per month for each client you book. Start by reaching out to small businesses owner in your area or by taking an online course that teaches you how to manage ads on Facebook and start booking clients. Number 8, host a digital course. Digital courses are one of the top ways to make money online today. Our school is a teacher recruiting platform especially designed to help online courses creators monetize their knowledge. Its classes range from architect to yoga to learning about Pokemon characters. According to the sites, the average teachers earn $40 per hour. Number 9, teach English as a second language. Having been a VIP kid teacher myself, I can honestly say it is legit way to make money online. VIP kid hires native English speakers to teach English to teachers, most of whom are based in China. Your pay is based on your level of teaching experience and how well you do in the demo interviews. When I worked for the company, I had zero experience and regular made 1500 per month teaching part time. Number 10, sell your unused gift cards. If you have gift cards lying around that you don't want, you can sell them on Raise. When you enter your gift card, Raise will give you a suggested selling rates. You can change this to set the price at whatever you believe it's fair. It's free to list your gift card on Raise. But once it sells, the site will keep 50% of the selling price and you will receive the remaining 85%. For example, if your list gift card with a 50 balance of sale 45, Raise will keep 6.75 and you will receive 38.25. Uh, that's okay for today. We will learn many things yesterday, coming tomorrow.